My name is Robin Chapman. I'm a journeyed electrician and I do commercial work. Today we're going to be building a small circuit with batteries and lights and switches. So safety first, put on your safety glasses. If you have long hair, put your hair up. And after step one, we're going to put on our gloves. So before you put your gloves on, you want to pre-cut several small pieces of electrical tape to secure these items. You're going to fold it up really small for the light bulbs, like these are, and you don't want to cover the electrical parts where they fit. And here the buzzer, you could use a little bit bigger one. And for the propeller, we're going to attach it to the PVC pipe. Make sure you don't cover the electrical pieces there. Now we've put our gloves on, we're going to prep our wire and do the first part of our circuit. To strip our wire, we're going to use the strippers you have provided and look for the mark that says 18. That's the part you want to use. So separate your wires, use one, do one at a time. And carefully pull it off. You want to give yourself about 3/4 of an inch. Because it's stranded wire, you might need to spin it a little bit to keep all the strands together. Now we're going to attach our fasteners to your cardboard with the wire wrapped around it. Twist it around with a little hook just to keep it secure. And a paper clip is going to go on one end as well. Poke it through the cardboard and bend the fastener pieces to secure it. For this next circuit, you can choose a light bulb, a buzzer, or a propeller. We're going to start with the light bulb. So you need to hook the wire through the attachment point on the light holder. You might need to twist the wires a little bit to get them small enough to fit. And then we'll just give them a little fold so it holds on. And place it there till we have the other side ready. You need to add the battery in as well. So we'll just gently twist the wires together. And hook this through the other side of the light. With all of our wires connected, making a circuit, we can now flip our paper clip switch to turn the light on. So now that you've finished your circuit, you've opened the switch so the power isn't flowing through the circuit, you can disconnect the light bulb so that you can try out a different thing, like the buzzer or the propeller. If you want to use the buzzer, it's a little bit different because it has wires attached to it already. Attach it to your cardboard and twist the wires together. Now with all the wires twisted together, we can flip the switch and the buzzer will go off. So we made a quick stand for our propeller out of the PVC from your plumbing kit. And put the propeller on. Just add it into the circuit like we did with the other ones. With our propeller hooked into the wire, this might move your PVC stand a bit, so hold it with one hand or have a friend help you, and then flick the switch to see if your circuit works. And remember to turn it off again before disconnecting. Once you've completed all the different circuits you're trying out, disconnect everything for the next person. Make sure when you disconnect the battery leads that they're separated. And that's it for our electrical activity. I hope you enjoy Skills Exploration Day.